Good morning, dear students. We'll start the problems on first unit of basic thermal engineering, that is basic concepts and laws of thermodynamics. So we'll take up the first problem. A closed system received a heat transfer of 120 kilojoules and delivers a work transfer of 150 kilojoules. Determine the change of internal energy. So he has given us the problem. He says that a closed system received a heat transfer of 120 kilojoules. So he has given us the value of Q12. Q12 is how much? 120 kilojoules. As it is received, so it is positive. So heat added to the system is positive. Then and delivers a work transfer of 150 kilojoules. So work done W12 is given. It is again 150 kilojoules. And he says in the problem that delivers a work transfer of 150 kilojoules. So therefore it is again positive. So Q12 is plus 120 kilojoules and W12 also is plus 150 kilojoules. So we know the equation of first law from first law of thermodynamics. From first law of thermodynamics, what we know? We know that Q12 is equal to delta U plus W12. And what is this delta U? Delta U is U2 minus U1. I repeat, delta U is U2 minus U1. So I have written the equation once again, and now let us substitute these values in the equation. So Q12 is given, it is 120. So you have to find out U2 minus U1 plus work done is again 150 kilojoules. So therefore U2 minus U1 will be equal to 120 minus 150. I repeat, 120 minus 150. So minus 30 kilojoules. So U2 minus U1 is minus 30 kilojoules. So what is the meaning of this minus 30 kilojoules? The internal energy has reduced by 30 kilojoules. So I'll write the internal energy of the system is decreased or reduced by 30 kilojoules. So this is the problem. So I repeat again, Q12 is given in the problem, that is a closed system received 120 kilojoules. So 120 kilojoules is received, so it is plus, and delivers a work transfer of 150 kilojoules. So again 150 kilojoules is the work done. So from first law of thermodynamics, what equation we have? Q12 is equal to delta U plus W12. And what is delta U? Delta U is U2 minus U1. So Q12 will be equal to U2 minus U1 plus W12. That is Q12 is 120 kilojoules and W12 is 150 kilojoules. So U2 minus U1 will be equal to 120 minus 150. So minus 30. So U2 minus U1 is minus 30. What is the meaning of this minus 30? The internal energy reduces by 30 kilojoules. So let us take the next problem. During the compression stroke of an engine, the work done on the working substance in the engine cylinder is 80 kilojoules per kg and the heat rejected to the surroundings is 40 kilojoules per kg. Determine the change of internal energy. So you have to find out what is the change in internal energy. So work done by the substance. He has given what is the work done by the substance, that is work done on the substance. So work done on the system is always negative. So work done is minus 80 kilojoules per kg. So minus 80 kilojoules per kg is the amount of work done on the substance. Then next he says the heat rejected to the surroundings is 40 kilojoules. So Q12, what is the amount of heat rejected? So heat rejected is minus 40 kilojoules per kg. So heat rejected also is negative. I repeat, work done on the system it is, so it is minus. Similarly, heat rejected to the surroundings is also negative. So you have to find out what is the change in internal energy, that is delta U or du. This is what we need to find out. So again use the equation of first law of thermodynamics from first law of thermodynamics. So what is the equation of first law of thermodynamics? We know the equation Q12 is equal to delta U plus W12. That is delta U is U2 minus U1 plus W12, which fetches me the value of Q12. So Q12 is given in the problem as minus 40. So minus 40 will be equal to U2 minus U1, and work done is also given, it is minus 80. So U2 minus U1 minus 80. So you need to find out the value of U2 minus U1. So U2 minus U1 will be equal to U2 minus U1 will be equal to, so minus 40. This minus 80 will go on the other side, it becomes plus 80. So therefore minus 40 plus 80 will be equal to plus 40 kilojoules per kg. So U2 minus U1 will be equal to plus 40 kilojoules per kg. So what is the meaning of plus 40 kilojoules per kg? There is increase in internal energy of the system. So therefore I can write, therefore the internal energy of the system increases. Therefore the internal energy of the, what is that system? It is working substance. So internal energy of the working substance increases. So again I'll repeat the problem. So work done on the system is given to us, that is work done on the working substance is given as 80 kilojoules per kg. So work done on the substance is always negative, that is it is a system. So work done on the system is always negative, so minus 80 kilojoules. Then the heat rejected to the surroundings is 40 kilojoules per kg. So what is that amount of heat rejected? So it is also rejected. So heat given out by the system is always negative. So Q12 is minus 40 kilojoules per kg. So you have to find out the value of delta U. That is delta U is U2 minus U1. We know the equation from first law of thermodynamics. What is that equation from first law of thermodynamics? Q12 is equal to du plus W12. That is Q12 will be equal to U2 minus U1 plus W12. That is minus 40 will be equal to U2 minus U1 minus 80. So U2 minus U1 will be equal to minus 40 plus 80. So U2 minus U1 will be equal to 40 kilojoules per kg. So what is the meaning of this 40 kilojoules per kg? That is the internal energy of the system or internal energy of the working substance increases. So we will take up one more problem, that is a closed system undergoes a change in process in which 5 kilojoules of heat is supplied to the system. Determine the change in internal energy under the following conditions. So what are those following conditions? 1 kilojoules of work is done on the system. Second is 1.25 kilojoules of work is done on the system. So what is given in the system? What is given in the problem? We'll write heat supplied to the system is given, that is 5 kilojoules per kg. So Q12 is 5 kilojoules per kg. This is given in the problem. It is heat added to the system, so therefore it is positive. Then he says that in the first case, we'll take up each case now. So in the first case, work done on the system, W12 is given to us. It is minus work done, as it is work done on the system, it is minus 1 kilojoules. So find out again from first law of thermodynamics. From first law of thermodynamics, we know the equation. What is that equation? We know Q12 is equal to, I will write directly, U2 minus U1 plus W12. So I want U2 minus U1. So U2 minus U1 will be equal to Q12 minus W12. So what is the value of Q12 given? 5 kilojoules. And W12 is again minus 1. So minus 1 will become plus 1. So you will get the answer as 6 kilojoules is the change in internal energy, that is U2 minus U1 is 6 kilojoules. This is the first case. So we'll take up the second case now. That is, for second case, work done on the system, W12 is minus 1.25 kilojoules. I'll repeat, work done on the system is minus 1.25 kilojoules. So again use the same equation. Q12 is 5, U2 minus U1 minus 1.25. So U2 minus U1 will be equal to 5, minus of minus will become plus 1.25. So you'll get the answer as 6.25 kilojoules. So for today's class we have taken 3 problems, right, and all the 3 problems were on first law of thermodynamics, right. So in the next class we will take few more problems. Thank you.